Hi 18, thank you sa pagpunta today para sa ating watch party for Lollapalooza. I know hindi tayo magkakasama ngayon pero your support means so much to us. Naririnig namin yung sigawan nyo ngayon. Pero yeah, we feel your support and your love for SB19 and for the whole Filipino community na talagang sumusuporta hindi lang po sa amin, pati na rin sa mga magiging future acts natin sa global stage. So again, thank you so much for supporting us and enjoy the show and please support all the performance today. Ayun, maraming salamat po. Enjoy, bye!
Hey 18, the team has prepared a watch party for all of you. So sana mag-enjoy kayo, you meet your friends, and that show is really for you. So tayo sabay-sabay, let's go! Ay, hindi pala ka makakanood, but sana makakanood kayo.
Hey 18! Para po sa mga manonood for our Lollapalooza performance, hope you guys enjoy. Alam ko maaga, pero ayun, I'll see you guys there and don't miss it.
Hello sa lahat ng 18. Thank you so much sa pag-support. And of course, malapit na yung Lollapalooza namin. Kahit man yung iba sa inyo hindi makapanood in person, but I hope na magkaroon kayo ng time to watch it sa stream. And of course, sana mag-enjoy pa rin kayo. Ayun lang, thank you so much sa pag-suporta up until now. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Thank you so much.
Almost 8 years in the making, makapag-perform kami sa ganitong klaseng festival. And gusto namin pasalamat sa walang isa akong supporter nyo. Through ups and downs talaga nandiyan kayo. So, kahit wala man kayo sa venue or wala naman kayo sa lugar kung saan kami magpa-perform, alam namin nakasuporta kayo dyan. So, enjoy, cheer for us, and wala, enjoy lang natin yung moment. So, maraming salamat. Bye-bye.